Hello guys, welcome to the next part of the complete ethical hacking DVWA walkthrough tutorial series. As I have mentioned previously, in this video we will create our own Python script for tools like SQL map. In this video you will see that here we have one Python script, entire Python script which is going to perform the blind SQL injection on the DVWA web app. This script is quite big. Here you can see it has almost 70 lines of code. Okay, so let's start from the beginning. Here we have mentioned the library, Python library, and imported some few modules, which is request, string, system, and URL lib. Request means URL request, string means the normal string, system, and URL lib means URL library, which will be used to encode the URL. And here is the header, burp header. Here you can see we have already intercepted burp header. This is the burp header we have intercepted and copied it over here. Now in the next line, URL encode equals to urllib.parse.code. This line used to read the URL, and here you can see another function. Define the function find the character. Find the character means it will find each character of the payload of injection payload. Injection payload means, you have seen previously we were using the payload like one and ASCII of substring, etc. In here you will use to find this function to find out the specific character. Here you can see letters, join string ASCII letters. ASCII letters means capital A to Z, small a to Z, star, string, digits means 0 to 9, and string punctuation. Punctuations means different symbols like asterisk, pound, dollar, ampersand, star, parenthesis, etc. In this way, following the code for character in letters. Letters mean this. Edited injection payload dot replace. It is going to replace a specific character of this character value, and the URL will be burp URL, which is the DVWA blind SQL injection URL. Here ID is equals to parenthesis. Parenthesis means the format function is going to replace the parenthesis. Here URL encode dot edit inject. It will call the URL in the edit inject. And burp cookies, it will be different for your case. PHP session ID in my case is this. In your case you have to change this. Remember, PHP session ID will be different for your case. You have to replace this with your security will be set to low. In the next line we can see the burp header, which is already given here. You can just copy it and paste it over here one by one. In the next line you have burp proxy, HTTP proxy and HTTPS proxy, which is burp suite running on 8080 port. And R equals to request.get burp URL, burp cookies, burp headers, and burp proxy. And if the status code is equals to 200, if the specific character returns 200 status code, means the page exists, then it will return that specific character. If that does not return that, if that returns 404, it will be neglected. Now the main function is query. It will show in your screen SQL. After this SQL part you have to input your query. Let's say suppose you will input select the users. It will evaluate each character for this payload. Select user. If this quit, then the query will be exited for I in range injected payload. Here you can see the injection payload, format of the injection payload. We have already seen this before. The format function is going to replace the parenthesis this and the parenthesis this. In the first position, the first parenthesis is going to replace the query which will be given by the user, and the second parenthesis is going to replace by the I, which is in the range of 1 2 3 4 up to 256. And the next few lines is get character, string find the character. It will call the specific function and it will print out the result here. And that's all for this code. Just pause the video and write down this code. Now I am exiting this. I am using the NVim layout editor. You can use any of your choice, like mousepad, notepad, etc., or you can use VS Code as well. Now let us call the function sqling.py. What you need to do here, you need to first chmod process sqling.py. I have named this script sqlinjection.py. Okay, you have to type down this command so you have the permission to run this script. Now just run this script. Here let's say we want to print the user. Here you can see the user is app @ it is executing each character local host. That's it. Now if you press quit, it will be quit. So that's all for this video. In the next video we will cover the CSRF part of this DVWA web application. CSRF stand for cross site request forgery. And one more thing guys, as I have mentioned in the previous video, I would like to welcome our new subscribers to this channel, and you will gain a lot of new skills regarding the cybersecurity part. And comment down, don't forget to comment down in the comment section in which specific part you need videos. I will try to make videos on that particular part. So till then, tata, bye bye, stay safe, stay tuned to this channel.